Hunt on for Grimy Boss, most wanted man operated in Bull Bay. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full and exclusive details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. The police have listed 29-year-old Nesta Morrison, otherwise called Bigger Crime or Grimy Boss, as one of the most wanted men who have been wreaking havoc in the 11 miles area of Bull Bay in St. Thomas. In a release on Friday evening, the police said that a major operation by the Joint Anti-Gang Task Force is on the way in the area to apprehend Morrison and his associates. The police described him as the leader of the Tankwell gang and said that Morrison is considered to be armed and dangerous and has been linked to multiple incidents of major crime including murder, shooting and arson. The release also said that he's also wanted for shooting at a police team some time ago. Morrison, who the police said has been listed as wanted several times before, is being urged to turn himself into the security forces immediately. Additionally, the security forces are warning that if anyone who is associated with Morrison and is harboring him at their residence will be prosecuted to the full extent of the law once found to be involved in such illegal activities. Anyone with information on the whereabouts of Nesta Morrison is being asked to contact the police at 876-224-4483, Crime Stop at 311, the tip line at 811, or the Jamaica Defense Force tip line at 876-387-8888. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.